Yo, what's up everybody? It's your new best friend. Imagine waking up to $500 from a reel you posted while eating pizza in pajamas. That's the power of Facebook monetization. Seriously, you guys gotta get in on this. You're already scrolling through reels for hours anyway. Might as well make some money doing it, right? Want to turn your Facebook reels into a money-making machine? Whether you're a creator, influencer, or just love making viral content, Facebook's monetization features can help you earn serious cash. In this video, I'll break down the 5 best ways to monetize your Facebook reels, so stick around. We're talking game-changing strategies here, people. I'm talking about turning your phone into a money printer. First up, the Reels Play Bonus program. This is like Facebook saying, hey, we love your reels so much, we're gonna pay you for them. No joke. Basically, Facebook pays creators for high-performing reels. The more views and engagement you get, the more you earn. Think about it, you're already making reels, right? So why not get paid for it? With the Reels Play Bonus program, you could be raking in some serious cash just for doing what you love. Now here's the deal, you have to be invited or apply via Facebook's Creator Studio, but don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds, and once you're in, you earn based on video performance. That means views, likes, comments, shares, all that good stuff. And let me tell you, the payouts can be huge! We're talking hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month just for making reels. I've seen people buy cars, pay off debt, even buy houses with this program. It's insane! Alright, next up we've got in-stream ads. This is where things get really interesting. With in-stream ads, Facebook lets you run ads on your reels, and guess what? You get a cut of the revenue. That's right, every time someone watches an ad on your reel, you make money. It's like passive income, baby! Now, there are a few requirements to qualify for in-stream ads. You need at least 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Plus, you need at least 5 active reels or videos on your page. But honestly, those requirements are totally achievable. Just focus on creating awesome content that people actually want to watch, and you'll hit those numbers in no time. And once you're eligible for in-stream ads, the money starts rolling in. I'm talking about a consistent stream of income just from running ads on your reels. It's like having your own little money-making machine. 3. Brand sponsorships. Get paid to promote. Okay, now let's talk about the big leagues brand sponsorships. This is where you level up your monetization game and start making some serious bank. Once you grow your audience and start getting a decent following, brands will actually pay you to promote their products in your reels. And trust me, this is where the big money comes in. We're talking potentially thousands of dollars per sponsored reel, depending on your audience size and engagement rate. Now, how do you get sponsored, you ask? Well, first things first, you need to build a niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of content do you love creating? Whether it's fitness, beauty, comedy, gaming, whatever it is, find your niche and own it. Once you've got your niche down, start reaching out to brands that align with your audience and your brand. You can also join influencer networks, which connect brands with creators for sponsored content. And when it comes to pricing, don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. A good rule of thumb is to charge $50,000 to $5,000 or more per sponsored reel, depending on your follower count and engagement rate. 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions on sales. Alright, let's say you love recommending products to your followers. Well, guess what? You can actually get paid for it with affiliate marketing. It's super simple. You just include affiliate links in your Reels captions, and when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a little bonus every time you recommend a product you love. There are tons of awesome affiliate programs out there, but some of the best ones include Amazon Associates, LTK for fashion and beauty, and ClickBank for digital products. Just sign up for an account, grab your unique affiliate link, and start promoting products in your reels. It's a super easy way to monetize your content and earn some passive income. 5. Sell your own products, the ultimate monetization strategy. Okay guys, we've saved the best for last. The ultimate way to monetize your Facebook Reels is to sell your own products or services. This is where you have complete control over your income potential, and the sky's the limit. Whether it's merch, courses, coaching, ebooks, presets, whatever you're passionate about, you can use your Reels to drive traffic to your sales pages and generate tons of sales. Now, some awesome ideas for products or services you can sell include print-on-demand merch. This is a super easy way to get started with selling physical products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You can create custom designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more, and have them printed and shipped directly to your customers. Digital products. These are a great option if you're looking for a low-overhead, high-profit business model. You can create ebooks, online courses, presets, templates, stock photos, and more, and sell them directly through your website or online marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Online coaching or consulting. If you're an expert in your field, consider offering online coaching or consulting services. You can use your reels to showcase your expertise, attract potential clients, and book appointments. Boom! Now you know 5 powerful ways to turn your Facebook Reels into a cash cow. I'm talking about life-changing money here, people. Which method are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more social media money tips. I'm constantly dropping new videos with the latest strategies and tactics for growing your following, monetizing your content, and building your dream life online.